Hi, I'm Chris from Hanna Instruments UK, and today I'm going to run through the calibration process for a 977 photometer. I've got the HI-97715 Ammonia medium range photometer, but the example would be the same for any 977 photometer. First of all, we need a box of standards that we're going to use. So within this box, we have a 0 vial, a reference vial, and we have a certificate. So this is what the certificate looks like. And that has a reference value on it, which I'll be needing in a moment. That's the 0 vial. And that's the standard vial. So with the photometer, when we've turned the meter on and we're on the main screen with the 4 dashes, the middle button gives you the option for cal check. So we press that. Hopefully you've got a tick and it says passed, but you may have a triangle with an exclamation mark in it, and that might say out of specification. Either way, we proceed with the cal check. So there's a button that says check, which we press here. It asks for the certificate value, which is what was in the sheet that I just put over there. Mine says 3.02 as the reference value, and we can use the up down arrows to modify that. And we press next. It asks for the 0 vial. So we wipe that with a cloth to make sure there's no fingerprints or residues on the outside. We get it to the notch location and we press next. And it almost immediately asks for the B vial. So again, we just wipe that clean of any fingerprints or residues, place that in the vial to the notch location and press next on the photometer. So that now says passed with a tick. Says that the value of 3.04, which is in the specification with the 3.02 of the certificate, and it says the time and date stamp of the calibration. And that's it for a calibration. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us at Hanna Instruments UK. Thanks a lot.